Nice.
Thank you,
Let's
Mr.
make it
Chairman.
brief.
Yeah. In relation to the question being asked by the members, no? Kasi ganito po, social media platform is doing business in the country. Now, before I ask that, no, yung particular na opinion ng BIR, NTC ba nandito? NTC.
Mr. Chair, good morning
Okay.
po.
Before I give the floor to NTC, Attorney, is Google or any social media platform are public utilities? In your own opinion?
Sa definition po ng batas, hindi po.
Sa Public Service Act,
Hindi po.
hindi siya nakalista. Tama?
Mr. Chair, hindi po.
Okay. Now, NTC is social media platform, in this case, Google, Facebook, Meta, etc., are public utilities?
Sir, considering, sir, that they are not also their offices are not situated also in the Philippines, sir, we do not consider them as public
Oh,
utilities.
but they're doing business in the country. Malinaw yon, di ba? Tama?
Doing business po kasi, sir, if I remember po, with regard din po sa BIR po, ang doing business po kasi means that they have an office here in the Philippines, sir.
No, not necessarily because doing business, kahit wala kang opisina, pwede kang kumita dito. Di ba? BIR, di ba? Ganon? Kumikita sila eh. Di ba?
Mr. Chair, for purposes of classification of doing business, it is required that they must have physical presence in the
The all the more that we have to amend. Di ba? Now, second, tama ka, Tony. Under the Public Service Act, hindi po malinaw na nandun yung social media platform. Ngayon po, Mr. Chairman, all the more that we have to amend that. Because in order for us to regulate such, that should fall under the public utilities. Kasi napakahirap po eh. For example, NTC, hindi nyo rin sila pwede regulate. Of course, KBP, before your member has to air, they have to apply for a frequency, di ba? Then you regulate if they're members or of such radio station, for example, is a member of the KBP, tama, di ba? But of course, the regulatory power to issue a frequency is with the NTC, tama?
That's correct, Mr. Chairman.
Kaya nga, Mr. Chair, siguro dapat lang din po na we should amend the Public Service Act because a social media platform, in this case, Google, YouTube, and all other social media platforms are not included in the list of all public utilities under the Public Service Act. Kasi how can you regulate something which is not covered by a law? Except, siguro sa BIR kung kaya. Diba? Kasi nagre-negosyo eh. Kumikita kayo dito. Diba? Attorney, I think it's just fair. Diba? Dapat bumayad kayo ng buwis. And also those content creator na pumapasok sa inyo, they have to pay taxes. Diba? And may coordination ba kayo with the local BIR or the BIR Central doon sa mga list of content creators? Wala.
Mr. Chair, klaruhin ko lang po. May mga regulations naman po sa Pilipinas that govern the social media platforms. For example po, yung kakapasan nyo lang po na VAT on digital platforms. Covered po doon ang YouTube, covered din po yung ibang platforms. So, for example po, yung batas po na VAT on digital platforms, covered po yung mga kahit non-resident po na mga digital platforms. So, doon po, pagdating po sa pag nag-impose na po si BIR nung regulation na yon, magko-comply po yung mga digital platforms. Another example po, yung bagong pasan nyo lang po na Internet Transactions Act. So, yung Internet Transactions Act na pasa po, I think 2023, covered din po kami doon. Covered din po ang YouTube, covered din po yung mga online platforms under that regulation. So meron pong mga regulation po na nag-govern ng mga platforms kahit po non-resident po.
Oh, yun pala BIR. BIR. Do you confirm the statement coming from Attorney Gonzales?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, what have you done?
Mr. Chair, considering that some entities are non-foreign and does not have any physical presence here, we, as per the tax code, they are liable for taxes insofar as all income derived here in the Philippines. So, however, since there are challenges insofar as collecting such taxes, considering they do not have any physical presence here, under existing rules and regulations, the income payers or those who, yung mga nagbabayad po sa kanila who are here in the Philippines should withhold the corresponding taxes before they pay them.
Sorry, to cut you short. But in the case of Google, they confirm that they have an office in the country. Are they paying taxes? Attorney, did you confirm? Are you paying taxes
Mr. Chair, we pay all legally required taxes, Mr. Chair.
based on your income?
Based on the activities of the entity po.
Yung mga ads,
So, hindi po yan sa Google Philippines, Mr. Chair. Hindi po yan sa
doon
Google
na mismo
Philippines.
sa company?
Doon po sa mother company po yan. Kumbaga hindi po sa Google, sir, hindi po sa Google Philippines. Yung Google Philippines po, wala po kaming hindi po kami si Google Philippines does not own nor operate the platform po. Nandun po sa US po yung mother company. So, kung ano po yung legally required sa Google Philippines ay binabayaran po ni Google Philippines.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I think, Mr. Chairman, we should also consider this now. We should ask the services or the help of the legal department with regards to this, Mr. Chairman, so that we can legislate laws that will really regulate such, no? Itong pinag-usapan natin. Lastly na lang, attorney, for example, content creator na nag-post siya, then it was taken down. What are the penalties in your end? May mga penal provision ba yung regulations niyo?
Opo. So una po, pwede pong, yung unang-una po level is natanggal po yung content, na-remove po yung content, 'di ba? So yun po yung isang parang basic level po. Pero according po sa monetization policies ni YouTube, pwede pong ma-withhold, adjust, charge back, or offset earnings or payment. Pwede pong ma-limit yung ad revenue sa mga videos. Pwede pong ma-suspend yung channel from the YouTube Partnership Program. At ang pinaka-penalty po na pinaka-mataas na level po ay suspend or terminate yung YouTube channel
Okay.
mismo.
Now, in the case of YouTube, mayroon na ba kayo na penalize, na suspend or na terminate?
Meron naman po. Meron po.
Can you give us the list? Yung listahan po ng mga content creator na na-suspend you or na terminate yung contract.
Hindi po yata naglalabas ng ganyan. So ang
Ay,
ilalabas
hindi
po
po.
ni YouTube po yung transparency report po na
Hindi po, sabi mo kasi kanina, when I asked you, you said that may policy kayo to suspend, di ba? Or to terminate. Now, tinanong kita, sabi mo may na-suspend na kami na-terminate. Can you give us the list of all those content creator? Kasi po, in relation to the question being asked by Congressman Raul, for example, yung Celis, di ba nawalang isiminay? Ngayon may sariling account siya, nandun sa YouTube. Yung specific example, yung pag i-check mo, ang daming mga ano dun, mga statements coming from mismo kay Celis na derogatory. At tuloy-tuloy yun. Wala may isa mang na take down dun. Do you want me to show you?
so hindi po ako maka-comment on individual pieces
No,
of
that's
content.
why we're talking is here of individual nga eh. Now, we ask you to submit to us all those has been suspended or terminated. Kasi may harap tayo mag-usap dito na sinasabi nyo palitsi kayo, tapos may na-suspend kayo, tapos hindi namin alam. Now, cite an example that was cited also by Congressman Raul. Yung kay Celis, you check all the records. Ang daming derogatory statements siya na ang YouTube has done nothing on those derogatory statements from Celis. Now you're telling us na may regulation na, you implement those regulations? I think may problema kayo. Attorney. Tapos sinabi mo, may na-suspend, may na-terminate, or are those suspended, or are those terminated? Hindi nyo maibigay? Attorney?
Mr. Chair, so si YouTube po naglalabas po ng quarterly transparency report. So banggitin ko lang po, yung Pilipinas po dito sa third quarter ng 2024, yung Pilipinas po, number 8 sa dami ng videos na natanggal. Ang numero po nakalagay dito, 181,841. So,
Yun na nga eh. Pakisubmit ka, pati yung mga creators, content creators, kung sino-sino yon. Kasi we have to check, we have to follow. Kasi sinabi mo kanina may mga regulation kayo din, we will check. Di ba? Kaya namin i-check yun. Kung totoo nga, sabi mo nga, 100, magkano, ilan ba yan? 181,000? But I never heard na may mga na-suspend or na-terminate na contract. And in the case of Celes, as mentioned also by Congressman Raul, malinaw po. One example lang yun, ang dami pa. Kaya nga inibitahan sila dito for them to answer. Now, ito ngayon, nandito kayo ngayon, you're telling us na may na-suspend, may na-terminate, pero hindi nyo maibigay. Siguro naman po, before the next hearing, dapat magpadala kayo dito ng report. Mr. Chairman, may I move that to direct Google through Attorney Gonzales to submit to this committee all those lists being required by this representation, Mr. Chairman, so move.
Any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried. Now, may I ask,
Mr. Chairman, last na lang po sa BIR. BIR, please also submit to this committee all those social platform content creator that has paid.
We will do, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
before we proceed further, please allow the chair to recognize the online presence of the Honorable Albert S. Garcia and the Honorable David J.J. Suarez. Welcome po kayo. Attorney Gonzales, do you have a legal basis why you cannot submit the report as required?
Based on what I've seen po, we can endorse it to the legal team po for them to review the request. So kung meron pong letter from Congress, we can endorse it to the legal team po.
So,
Hindi po ako legal.
you have been directed by this committee to submit such report. And if you have any reason, legal reason why, then you should explain that. Okay? And you should know the consequences of not obeying the order of this committee. Thank you, Attorney.
Mr.
Your
Chairman, just, Mr. Chairman, interjection nandun sa statement ni Attorney, yung sa legal. Attorney, this is an open hearing. Now, we don't need to submit or send you a letter requesting for that document because you are being directed. Now, the answer to you by the chairman is that if you have legal question, your legal question, you submit in the next hearing and we will see if indeed there is an illegal impediment with regards to the request or direction being made by this committee to you. Not the other way around. I hope you understand, attorney, you're a lawyer.
Loud and clear, Attorney. Thank you. The Honorable Marcoleta is now recognized. It's your turn.